Aluminum is a lightweight metal. The given density is 2.70 grams per cubic centimeters. Used in aircraft construction, high voltage transmission lines, beverage cans, and foils. What is its density in kilograms per cubic meter? So the problem is simply asking us to convert grams per cubic centimeters into kilograms per cubic meter. So let's start first with the given. So that's 2.70 grams per cm cube. So first thing you need to do is convert grams to kilograms. So put grams below and then kilograms on top. And we're all familiar with the conversion factor for this one. 1 kilogram is equivalent to 1,000 grams. So you put 1 kilogram on top and then 1,000 in the denominator. So the grams would cancel out, so we have kilograms on the numerator. So we already got the upper unit. Now let's convert now cm cube to meters cube. So you put cm cube on top and then meters cube in the denominator. Now if you can recall, 1 meter, that's equivalent to 100 centimeters. But be careful, don't plug in automatically 1 and 100 into your solution. Because remember, the problem talks about cm cube and meters cube. So all you need to do is you need to take first the cube of both sides. So 1 cube is just 1. Meters raised to 3 is meters cube. Now 100 raised to 3 is 1 million. And cm raised to 3 is cm cube. So this is what you will put in your solution. So 1 meter cube, that's equivalent to 1 million cubic centimeters. So the centimeters would cancel out. So we have meters cube at the denominator. So we have kg on top. We have m cube at the denominator. So now we have our desired units. So all you need to do now is solve this using your calculator. So that's 2.70 divided by 1,000 multiply by 1 million. Your answer should be 2,700 grams per cubic meter.